In this tutorial, we will learn how to make boat animation in After Effects for beginners. You will need boat image in PNG format for transparency. Go to File and select New Project. Then go to Composition and select New Composition and give it a name. I am naming it Boat Animation. Set width and height of video. I am going to set it to 1920 by 1080. Set duration to 10 seconds and click OK button. Right-click on Project Panel, select Import then File, or you can go to File, Import File option and import images. Drag the sky background image to Layer Panel and press S for scale and drag value to right, or you can simply drag the corner of image. Now drag the boat image to Layer Panel above Sky Image layer and press S for scale and drag value to left to make it small. Adjust boat start position by dragging it. Drag the boat layer to the end of timeline and sky background layer to the end of timeline if it's not at the end of timeline. Go to File, click Save As, and save file with a name. Now, select Rectangle tool and set color of sea as you like and draw a rectangle shape. Select Selection tool and drag the shape layer to the end of timeline. Go to Effects and Presets and type Turbulent, and select Turbulent Displace. You can drop it into rectangle shape or drop it into shape layer. Make sure the indicator is at the start point, set key on evolution. Now move the indicator to the end of timeline, increase the evolution value by dragging it to right. You can extend the evolution time for more random wave. Move the indicator to the start point. Press spacebar to preview. You will notice a green line in timeline, and it comes to end when rendering is complete. Press spacebar again to stop preview. Move the indicator to the start point, select Shape Layer 1, and change the color if you want. And increase the height of rectangle shape. Duplicate the shape layer by pressing Ctrl+D, or go to Edit and Duplicate, and set dark color of Shape Layer 2. Drag rectangle shape little down. Now drag and drop boat image layer in middle of shape layers and set it position. Press P for position and set keyframe, then move the indicator to end of timeline. Drag the boat to the end screen. Move the indicator back to start of timeline, press spacebar to preview. You will notice a green line in timeline, and it comes to end when rendering is complete. Press spacebar to stop preview. Move the indicator to start of timeline to make boat effect better. Select boat layer and press R and hold Alt button and click on keyframe and set expression to wiggle. And set value to 2,7. Press spacebar to preview. Go to File and click Save to save the work. If you want to make video of it, then go to File, then Export and select Add to Render Queue. Select Best Setting and press OK button. Click Lossless and select Video Format. AVI format will take large disk space, try to avoid it. Set video file name and save it. Press Render button to export video. After the rendering is complete, go to the directory where you saved your project. You can play the video you just created. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.